Do you want something fizzy, citrusy, bright, and packed with flavor? Forget Fanta, it's kumquat season, one of my favorite citrus fruits. So let's make homemade kumquat soda.
It's cocktail time.
Today's episode is brought to you by our friends from Library & Co. And they've got something special coming up. Liberalia 2025. From March 17th to March 24th, enjoy a 20% base discount, plus an extra 5% when you buy 6 syrups, or 10% off for 12 plus syrups, and you'll want to grab a few. That's because all of our US friends of cocktails can also sign up for the Library Games. It's a cocktail competition that will have 2 winners, one for best cocktail and one for best non-alcoholic drink. Check out all the important dates here. The rules are simple. Create a drink using a Library & Co syrup, submit your cocktail recipe and photo on social media, or send them an email, along with all the details about the competition. I'll also link our cocktail competition videos, plus a mocktails masterclass, so you'll have the chance to win some amazing prizes, including a $200 𝗡𝗲𝗃𝗍𝗃 gift card, premium bar gear, cocktail books, and more. Don't forget to take advantage of additional discounts at Library & Co. and create your next winning concoction. Now, back to the show. As you might have noticed from all the different DIY sodas we've already covered, I'm a big fan of sodas. I also love kumquats, but seeing as they are in season only for a short period of time, I love finding ways of using the fully edible citrus for a variety of ways. Making kumquat syrup and soda is one of my favorites so far. I'll also give you a cocktail recipe to use it in, but first, let's make the syrup. To make the syrup, you'll of course need the kumquats, water and sugar. I'll also add some acids to balance the flavor and prolong the shelf life, and turmeric powder for the vibrant color. First, wash the kumquats thoroughly, then cut them in half and scoop out the insides. This is easily done with a teaspoon. We are only using the peels this time, but you can simply eat the meaty part, or even better, make a delicious jam with these leftovers. Since kumquat peel is much less aromatic than with other citrus fruits, we'll need more of it. 65 grams for this recipe. Add that to the blender and go in with the rest of the ingredients. First, 360 grams of water, but you can make an even more flavorful syrup by using tea instead of water, like we did in the DIY Fanta episode. Kumquat flavor pairs well with lavender, green or white peppercorns, chamomile, cardamom, citron pepper. Really, the sky's the limit when making these sodas. Then add the sugar. We're going for 1:1 syrup, so equal weight as our liquid component, 360 grams. Next, add the acids for that boosted citrus notes, 16 grams of citric, 2 grams of malic, and 1.2 grams of ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C. This will also act as a subtle preservative. Lastly, an optional step, but it will help with the vibrant color we're going for, 0.5 grams of turmeric powder. Now just blend everything thoroughly for about 45 seconds, then strain it through a masking cloth to get a smooth, flavorful syrup. Since we've made plenty of soda syrups on Cocktail Time, I'm happy to announce we added soda calculators to kevincost.com to go with other cocktail calculators that all our patrons have access to. That's also where you can get brand new bottle labels for kumquat soda and kumquat syrup. With the syrup done, you can already use it to make a kumquat sour cocktail, or turn this into soda, then enjoy it on its own, or in a long drink. Let's do that now. To make kumquat soda, I'll reuse these small 200 ml soda bottles. So into each of them, I'll first add 30 ml of our kumquat syrup, 2 drops of saline solution, and top that up with 170 ml of highly carbonated water. The syrup should last in the fridge for at least a month, but you can freeze it in small batches to use throughout the year. After you've firmly sealed the bottles, give them a gentle turn and store them in the fridge for up to a month. Oh, and don't forget about our bottle labels. To make them stand out, we made a refreshing soda with a beautiful balanced sweet and tart citrus notes. Truly one of a kind. Fizzy, fresh, rich, and unique. Kumquat is really a fascinating citrus fruit with endless possibilities, as we already proved with Kumquat Super Juice 2 years ago. As for the soda, I really suggest you try it in this amazing Kumquat Pisco Collins. Screenshot for the recipe. Another kumquat cocktail, that one made with Kumquat cello, will be posted to Patreon next week, with another soda recipe added to the Cocktail Time repertoire. It's time to add 2 new additions to the Cocktail Time set, our brand new Wall of Fame members, Joshua Perry and Libertad Lazarte Gamara de Casey, who goes by Libertad Cusco. Both became top-tier Cocktail Time patrons, so their name is now a part of the giant clock on our set, helping us always keep it on Cocktail Time. Thank you for the support. Until next time, cheers, friends of cocktails.